Autodesk Showcase 2010 allows users to create marketing information from designs they already have completed. In this case, we're importing a 3D model from Autodesk Inventor. This gripper assembly will be used through the talk track today. I'm going to go ahead and create a real simple background. This is a background that actually brings in the lighting, the visual background, and other properties for the size and things like that. You may want to configure the layout, the shadows, the lighting, and it's all very interactive with drag and drop, real-time updating, so it's very easy to learn and very easy to use. As a user would go through and pick multiple items, they could reassign different materials to them. The materials from the CAD tool do get brought in initially. We'll modify a couple other things here. We can also create ambient inclusions, so the shadows that are created based on the part itself. So we have shadows in the overall scene from a main light source, but then we want to go ahead and create the shadows of parts as they shadow each other. So we can see what the result here. Again, it's a real-time render, so I can very easily change the perspective to see how that's affected my model. Let's take a look at my interface regarding my one-stop shop for all my files. So this is the same assembly. This is the Inventor, the 3D CAD file. I might also have drawings or other data that I want to access. In this case, this is my single source again for all my information for design. This might include drawings, it might include pictures from customers, it might include markups, like in this case I have a change. We're going to access Inventor right now. Inventor is really the foundation of digital prototyping. Digital prototyping is being able to use one environment, one system set to do all of your work. So I have an Autodesk product to do my 3D modeling and my design work. I have a tool for Autodesk to do all my marketing materials, Autodesk Showcase, and I store everything in an Autodesk repository. So it's all one system, one contributor. I don't have to worry about third-party add-ons or other technologies that might not mix for the versions or for service packs and things like that. Now that we've made this update, we've made that change, I'm going to go ahead and just update the 3D model. That looks great. And of course, we'll take a look at all the other affected drawings. And just to finish off, let's talk a little bit about how that's affected our marketing geometry we just created. So as I spoke about before, this is digital prototyping. I can come back to my marketing tool, use a function to update. It shows I need to update this. Let's go ahead and update that file. It's going to reread in the associative information from that CAD file, and it updated that CAD file within this marketing software. Again, all through Autodesk, so it all updates and is streamlined. For branding capabilities, you can throw on logos or throw on different textures, so it makes it a very marketable, easy to use piece of media. And again, the last thing I want to take a look at here as we finish up the marketing piece is to identify some of these changes. So right away in my repository, this information is updated, so any other consumer of this information, somebody on the shop floor, somebody in sales or purchasing, would have the latest up-to-date information. My drawing is all complete. All the correct information is there for the sizing of each of the parts. And of course, other files might be stored there too. So maybe a JPEG or a bitmap that I have from the marketing piece can be stored in this location to be again propagated through the company. This presentation has been brought to you by MasterGraphics and Autodesk. Thank you.